Hey, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. Here's one of your favorite machines, RG-50. This is an Amada. Let's get into it. Hydraulic press brake Upacting, meaning that the bed is going to come up and reach our ram. As soon as that happens, our back gauge is going to move to the next position and be ready to do it again. Now, this is great for small pieces. You can set up all the way down the line with some really fine tooling and make some great bends. You'll see a lot of these in aircraft facilities and really high precision facilities for fabrication. It's got the NC9EX II control, brand new membrane we just put on it. It's a guaranteed machine. What type of machine you're looking for, let us know. We have a lot of different press brakes over here. We've got Cincinnati mechanicals, standard hydraulics, Cincinnati hydraulics, Derma hydraulics, CNC, manual. We're always looking to buy, sell, or trade, so let us know how we can work with you. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.